moment is that topic around AI and how it's potentially going to change the world, and it's going to change the world of work. This seems to be very specifically focused on professions like accountants and lawyers, and apparently there's going to be a big change in those professions over the next year, 2 years, 3 years. So I've listened to a lot of these conversations, and to be honest, I don't quite agree with them all. Yes, I think AI is going to change the world eventually, but I don't think it's going to change things as quickly as a lot of the software houses and a lot of the evangelists around AI are currently telling us. So I don't think we need to panic quite so much. Obviously, I think it's really important you do get to know AI and what it might be able to do for your business and the different styles, and learn about how the changes over the next year or two will start to affect your profession, because it will. But I don't think it's going to happen as quickly or as effectively, like a massive wave washing over the accountancy and legal profession as people are currently saying. So what are the three types of AI that are currently out in the marketplace? Well, they tend to fall into generative AI, which is your ChatGPT and Claude, then large language models, which is starting to build instructions for Claude and ChatGPT to do some simple tasks for you. And then finally, there's machine learning, which broadly falls into the adding AI into existing software so that it can find information more quickly, or it can help you navigate around the software a little bit more quickly or easily as well. The reason that I'm of the view that I don't think AI is going to change the world as quickly and as dramatically as many people are saying at the moment is that back around the year 2000, I worked in a business where we had a number of the first developers of online shops, and they were convinced that within a couple of years, nobody would be shopping on the high street. Retail as we know it would change almost immediately, and that online shops would be the way that every type of item would be purchased and sold in the UK and globally. Now, obviously, that's not happened. Yes, online has become a big part of our shopping experience. It's become a big part of every business's channel to market. But actually, what's happened is over the course of 20 plus years, it's slowly changed, and the dynamics have moved, and businesses now need to have an online element. But we are still leaving our houses. We are still going down to the shops to buy things. But obviously, how we do that has changed, and the volume and the regularity of how that happens has changed as well. So in summary, yes, be aware of AI and the changes that are coming down the line. Get familiar with ChatGPT, become familiar with Claude, start to understand how you can use it within your business, usually to save a little bit of your time where you're writing blogs or reviewing contracts. Those kind of things can be dealt with quite usefully. Also start getting involved in large language models. So there might be some simple tasks that can be done more easily by AI over time, but they'll take a little bit of time to build as you work your way through them. And finally, you'll probably see that AI will start to appear in some of the software you're using. So again, you need to understand how to get the